Hello and welcome to Pharmacomania. I am Dr. Shahnaz Malik and we are going to discuss adverse effect of phenytoin. We can remember the adverse effect of phenytoin mnemonics by phenytoin. P for enzyme P450 interaction, H for hirsutism, E for enlarged gum, N for nystagmus, Y for yellow browning of skin, T for teratogenicity, O for osteomalacia, I for interference with vitamin B12 metabolism, N for neuropathy. So these are the adverse effect of phenytoin and these are the mnemonics of phenytoin adverse effect. Adverse effect of phenytoin are two types, acute and chronic type of adverse effect. Plasma level beyond the 30 microgram per ml called overdose can cause toxicity. It manifested by nystagmus, ataxia, CNS depressant, lethargy and blurred vision. If the dose is very high or intravenous injection is administered faster, it can lead to cardiovascular collapse and coma can occur. Chronic adverse effects are gingival hyperplasia and worsening of vessel feature, megaloblastic anemia, vitamin K and vitamin D deficiencies, hirsutism in female and acne, hyperglycemia, congenital malformation and hypersensitivity reaction can occur. Gingival hyperplasia. Phenytoin after being secreted through saliva inhibit enzyme collagenase, which is responsible for breakdown of collagen of connective tissue. It has been reported that phenytoin increase platelet-derived growth factor B and its mRNA from the macrophage that are though to enhance wound healing and induce gingival fibroblast and promote local angiogenesis. Megaloblastic anemia. Phenytoin induces hydroxylating enzyme activity for which folate are cofactor. And as the serum folic acid level goes down, the body's demand for the folic acid is increased. This leads to megaloblastic anemia, which is responsive to folic acid supplements. Vitamin K deficiency leads to hypoprothrombinemia and consequently hemorrhage in the newborn if the mother had received phenytoin during pregnancy. Vitamin K supplement can therefore be used either for the treatment or as prophylaxis in pregnant lady. Vitamin D deficiency. Phenytoin increases the metabolism of calciferol and produces vitamin D deficiency. Phenytoin also increases the metabolism of vitamin K and reduce concentration of vitamin K dependent proteins which are necessary for normal calcium metabolism in bone. These lead to rickets in malnourished children and osteomalacia in adults. This condition can be prevented by administering both vitamins, vitamin D and vitamin K. Hirsutism. Hirsutism in female and acne may appear due to increased secretion of androgens. Hyperglycemia. Phenytoin inhibits insulin secretion and may cause hyperglycemia. It also decreases ADH release. Congenital malformations. Use of phenytoin during pregnancy increase the risk of congenital malformation like cleft lip, cleft palate and congenital heart diseases. These are associated with formation of a toxic epoxide metabolism and also with the impaired DNA synthesis due to folate deficiency. Other adverse effects include hypersensitivity reaction like skin rashes, fever, hepatitis, and some CNS effects such as vertigo, nausea, tremor, and confusion. Phenytoin should not be discontinued suddenly as it may precipitate withdrawal seizure. Thank you for watching the video.